Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to perform hard reset for your earbuds Sony. Firstly, we need to turn off these headphones, so press and hold the multifunctional button on your left headphone. Here we go, we just turned off it. After that, you need to press and hold at the same time volume down button, would have a minus icon, and multifunctional button, until the LED light flash blue 4 times. So I just press and hold. Here we go, we just had it. And firstly, we need to remove these headphones from the phone, so click the information icon or settings icon if you have Android, forget the device, forget device. Also, if you have Android, click pair new device, and after that we need to turn on these headphones, so press and hold multifunctional button, and it will enter to pairing mode automatically, so we can see it at the device list. Now tap on it. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!